I'm here at OFC with Chris Ebert, Senior Business Development Manager of Luminar Semiconductor. Chris, tell me about the company. What's been the story so far?
Hi, Luminar Semiconductor is a name you might know, but from other reasons. Our parent company, Luminar Technologies, has been very active in the automotive LiDAR market. But as Luminar Semiconductor, it's a brand we started using about a year ago. We are the key components that help enable not only automotive LiDAR systems, but a variety of other systems. So we're comprised of other companies that you may know the names of: Freedom Photonics, OPTOGRATION, Black Forest Engineering, and EM4. Together, we can supply a wide variety of photonic components that enable our customers to address and solve a variety of other photonic applications: sensing, optical communications problems, test and measurement. Whatever the call may be, we probably have a photonic technology that can answer that.
Incredible. So you've brought these four companies together, gives you abilities in all those areas. So what have you brought with you to the show?
So this here example is what we call the InstaTune. This is an all-electrically, widely tunable laser, solid state. It's differentiated from a lot of the competitive solutions, which are mechanically based, so they're bigger, bulkier, more expensive. Being all electrically tunable, you can see how compact this is. It's inherently rugged. We offer this over several wavelength ranges: the O band, the C band, L band, and even out into 1600 to 1700 nanometer for a variety of gas sensing applications. So this is a really good example of the capabilities that Luminar Semiconductor has. It all starts with our unique IP in the semiconductor chip. We then package that, and then we put together around it these control electronics and an easy user interface to make it user-friendly for people to use. So it really shows the value that the Luminar Semiconductor family can add to a product and to solving different problems.
It's amazing to have all those capabilities within the family, as you call it. So what can the Optica community do to help you drive this forward even further?
I think what the biggest thing the Optica community can do for us is come to us with your problems and challenges. Like I said, we have a very vast and wide toolbox of photonic technologies. Integrated photonics and silicon photonics, can use different semiconductor platforms like indium phosphide, gallium arsenide. We have source generation technologies, we have detection technologies, we have signal processing technologies. So if you come to us with your problems, there's a good chance that we'll be able to find a unique and competitive solution for you.
Chris, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you again at OFC. Sounds like there's an incredibly exciting future ahead for Luminar Semiconductor. Have a great show.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thanks.